The Ofaakor High Court has granted bail to George Boamah Kwakye, a 32-year-old Anaesthesia technician who was charged with the publication of false news under Section 208 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960. Kwakye was arraigned before the circuit court for allegedly publishing false and alarming statements on social media regarding Mother and Child Hospital in Kasoa. According to court documents, the accused on May 24, 2025 published claims on TikTok alleging that the hospital was killing a lot of innocent people and that front medical imaging and health systems are in bed with the Mother and Child Hospital to misinform and diagnose patients.
My client was, by implication, denied bail at the circuit court or at the lower court. However, today we've been able to secure bail for him, and he will be able to come out and then stand before the court during the trial process. So basically that's what happened. Today we've been able to secure bail for my client, and we are so happy for that. He was charged for publication of false news, contrary to Section 208 of the Criminal Offences Act. And that offense in particular is a misdemeanor, one of the minimal offenses in Ghana. So we're surprised when he was remanded to come back for 2 good weeks before being granted bail. That's why we had to repeat the application in the High Court. What happened was that when I stood up to make the application, I was just instructed by the sitting court to come formally. As soon as we're able to meet all the bail requirements, he will be out within that time.
These statements, the prosecution argued, were likely to cause fear, panic, and public alarm, especially as they were presented without credible evidence. After reviewing the application, the Ofaakor High Court on Tuesday, June 24, 2025, granted Kwakye bail pending further hearing of the case. In related developments, a grieving father and husband whose child reportedly died at the facility, who was mentioned in Kwakye's TikTok post, had earlier spoken to the media.
First one, second one, third one, hey, my mistake. Dear mistake was saying someone when you're faba. And I'm saying, dear, you're faba. I'm not catching them, say, you know, what's all the sinister. And you know, why then. One more Yakwa into me wife into or a year into a yano, and or catching me wife say, or truffle from to a trono, people so. I demand my wife and send my wife for cotton. And the first one on this Yakurano Swing and not pray. Until you could tell them, breast out, Kurano Prisa, first one on this scene, the second one year, you third one, Yakurano Prisa, until Akorano, my wife got children away no buy an Omudia no man or the Bayano. Omudi Bakunu be seen soon, and after them who say, after you are coming down. And the woman of honest season, and after the Barney sent me be in the best seconds now, you was in 50 seconds now, and when I'm no, the way I'm catching Mr. Ebeyano. Nafi, aye. Anti a free, let us say, affiliate, when I'm at test spot now, when we hadn't finished seconds now, I don't know, a friend of catching say, almost say, Osigina, a Sakurano. Now, the way I'm which lesson when I'm being silent here, and I know we would have to handle so I send you, but we, is just anyone in your maybe. And your honor and mammy so many years then, many every or so said one more Kumibana then, a Kumibano at your mammy.